Hello everyone, we are Andres and Giedre. We spend years and years dreaming and planning on how we can quit and leave boring and meaningless city life behind and live more sustainable, healthier, slower paced life in the countryside. And in 2022, our dreams came true. We sold our home in the UK and set off to sunny central Portugal. It wasn't plain sailing from the beginning. Buying our off-grid homestead cost us a lot of patience and time. Follow our journey from the very beginning and we really hope it will inspire someone else to make that choice, as life is just too short for 9 to 5 work to pay bills routine. And yes, we do regret one thing about our journey. It's a fact we haven't started it earlier.
Acá. Acho que foi muito.
Parou de falar.
Ah, agora o Vicente vai usar só na. Vai tentar argumentar tudo, Vicente. A pergunta já foi respondida, Bruno. Então...
Oi, Jota, a resposta é certa, né?
É, não é certo. Não é certo. Vai, Bruno.
Pés atrás primeiro. Aí, então deixa que tens aí nos pés.
Broto, levantou agora. É bom.
Acho que sim, para um só um.
Exatamente.
Para mim está fino então.
Atrás dela.
Já estou a pegar.
Junta mais um pouco desse lado. Mais. Olha. Entra onde? Olha lá.
Hello, lovely people. So, even we, very excited with the progress which was made within last 2 weeks. And I guess the next week or so we're gonna spend just cleaning around the building. There are lots of boulders to be moved, lots of rubble, old roof and stuff like that. But yeah, as you've seen in our last 3 videos, it was a really exciting time for us, just watching all the walls grow up. And now I'll give you a small tour around the building, what needs to be done. So, all them rocks, also the dirt which came from the wall, will have to go somewhere. This morning I tidied up the place where the old roof came down. I think the most of the work will have to be done on this side of the building, guys. I don't know if camera shows. You see the rocks, rubble and other stuff is just level with the window. So it won't have to be completely removed away from the side. What we're thinking, because we got a secret project in the future for this animal enclosure, we're gonna leave all the rocks just somewhere close by. Probably we're gonna pile it up in here. So yeah, also the chimney has to come off.
I'll do it.
G said that she wants to do it, so I think it will be pretty nice content seeing G with a sledgehammer on the roof knocking that old boy down. You're not gonna believe, guys, but we found a perfect flat, not so fat stone for our kitchen doorway. That's gonna be the step stone. It's a bit too short, probably about 15-20 centimeters, but this is the best we have, so we're gonna use it. We're gonna put some other stones next to it or something, make it nice. And even the kitchen is just 3 meters away, but it's a mission to get the stone there. So I got my tractor, gonna pull it out, load it, and we have a stone. Another add-on to your kitchen.
Yes. I'm what? I'm not. It was me who found it. No more injuries, Mel. Oh.
It's in! Delivery?
Thank you, I'll take it.
Take it.
I will.
This is the downside, the upper side.
Yeah, the
On
face.
the top is more beautiful.
Yes, of course.
That's it. You just come to your kitchen and you're in. No? Трактор родился. So guys, no injuries.
It's a bit wobbly.
It's been a very busy 2 weeks for us, as you could see it in the videos.
We didn't spoke a lot.
Yeah, we just were working. And today is Monday. Our builders finished on Saturday, I believe. And yeah, they done everything what we expected for them to do. And now we can basically carry on with the building process ourselves. There is nothing heavy to do left. Well, the walls is up.
Okay, I remind you that.
It will be some hard work, but not too much.
Not too much.
And again, guys, thank you very much for your comments, for your likes. Thank you for subscribing. We got lots of subscribers from our last video. Hello guys, and thank you very much. And yeah, I hope you're gonna stick with us.
Yeah, I hope you're gonna stay with us to watch us.
Now it's gonna be back to normal, working at a normal pace without any heavy lifting, any injuries. So yeah, we'll see ya in our weekend video. Bye guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
And now let's go and sleep.